fuck up. Frank says get the fuck up. I keep it tight like a nun's ass, get it? Y'all fuckers go home and masturbate to Reddit.
Flow dirty like I got a bad tooth decay. I got no props like a rundown Peter play. All so hard that my nuts are in spandex. Welcome to the Eclippz cooking show, where today I'm cooking this up. Well, I'm not really cooking it up. I'm really freezing it. Oh, there's a nice thumbnail shot. So let's unbox it real quick. Whoa. Alright, we got green and blue. We got orange. I'm pretty sure the flavor is orange. We got red, which I'm pretty sure is strawberry. Green for watermelon. Gilbert grape. Whip these out of your fucking wallet, you fucking asshole. Pull up to your girl's house, take out your wallet, open it up, whip these out of. Alright, let's go freeze these. Wait, is there another flavor? Oh, one of them opened. I hear it. You hear it? Do you hear that? Which one is it? Oh, it's a green. Ah, I got it. See? Flavor Ice Master right here. Alright, let's go freeze them. You got the waters. First of all, let's check out the freezer. The water bottle, what is this? That looks f***ing nasty. I definitely did that too. Get this nice shot. Oh, that's f***ing weird. That's ice. That's frozen. Frozone. Okay, it's like slipping a little bit. Push to the back. Close it. You can see them in there. See the colors? 4:52. I put them in at like 9 in the morning. Oh, moment of our truth. What? No way. They're still liquid. Well, these aren't. Bruh. Alright, let's get into it. I need something to cut it open with. How about we do a magic trick? Watch this. Whoa! It worked! Alright, we got the two flavors. Red. Cheers. Tastes like my vasectomy. I have contracted herpes. I thank you guys for watching this episode of the Eclippz Cooking Show. If you liked it, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. It's your friendly neighborhood Eclippz saying I will see you guys in the next cooking show. Never coming out. See ya. This. Freeze, motherfucker.